Alright, so today I'm checking my rack and steering bushing. Let's see if I can show it to you. Here we go. That's the old one. Came apart. So I ended up installing this back on temporarily, and it's been wedging its way out till I got this one. And yeah, I guess I could buy a whole brand new rack and steering, but this was 30 bucks. Brand new rack and steering is 400 bucks. So let's see if I can get it here. I'll show you where it goes. Okay, so had to get a socket in there to get that nut off. And then there's another one up here. That's not, top one's not so hard, but you have to feed it through and catch it onto this baby here. So, yeah, you see how awesome that is? It doesn't come freaking off. It's like a whole piece. And I've got to try to feed it down here just to have some space to get this jerk in there somehow. I'm gonna try to get it in this way. Not sure if I'm gonna be able to fit it through, but we'll see. I'll see what I can do. I'll get halfway on and then see if I can get it through. Then I'll show you guys. Woohoo! Definitely easier than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, where's it? Okay, so I've fished it through a little bit, I think. I should be able to push it through now. And it should, you see how it's wrapped up in there? But that's just to get it through to the other side, right? Because, and I think I'm getting it. Sorry guys, the camera works a little shoddy with one hand. Let me see. Especially since I don't have the angle for my own sight. Let's try to keep you upright. I'll try not to. Come on, baby. You only need a little bit more to go. Alright, well, you can see that, I think. It just needs a little bit more. When I get this on, it'll be on with Donkey Kong. Okay, so it's, as you can see, I only got a little bit of ways to line this up, but this baby is on super tight. Super tight, super tight, super tight. I'm using this crowbar to wedge it here and bring it up on one side, and then wedge it down to the other side and bring it back up the other side and bring it back this way. Oh, it's terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. I wish I could find a way to let this thing watch me do my thing. And it's horribly horrible. Looks horrible. I'm sorry. It looks horrible. Probably is horrible the way it looks. Which is the angle for this? That's not it. Here it is. Yeah, you basically gotta be all the way. Just to watch me do it, I'll probably just smash the daggone phone like a dumbass. Well, you know, I don't even know if that's gonna do it. No, I need to do it. So, I can't let you watch me, I guess, because I can't even. It's not lifted. I don't even lift it at all. You see, I'm just under here, wedged under here. So Sorry. So anyway, that's a little punk ass. But I know I'm making some leeway. I know I'm making some progress because I'm getting it over, and I'm actually, this is almost lined up here. It's just gonna take me about 20 more wedgings to get it this far over, and then maybe if I'm even lined up with a deck-on bolt hole, we'll see. I don't know. Wish me luck. I'll return. Alright, I got it in, got the bolt through, and both sides. I don't know if you can see that. And that was a mofo of a job. So, oh, that's so sad when that happens. Hopefully it's not gonna do all the crap that it's been doing, acting all bad, being a big jerk to me. Hope it's gonna, should work good now. I mean, it shouldn't be floating as much as it was, and it shouldn't be shaky at all. So now I got both sides of the bushing, and that baby was hard to push in, but I got it in. Hard day's work. All right, have a good one, guys. All right, well, here it is, all done. It's took me a long time to do this, and I did it, but whatever. Thanks for watching.